Hello, ladies and gentlemen. What's happening? Welcome back to my channel once again, and this time I'm with you guys to show you how you can create an attractive thumbnail for your videos. So, stay tuned. So, guys, today I'll show you how you can create an attractive thumbnail using Adobe Photoshop CS6. If you don't have Adobe Photoshop CS6, you can simply download it from the links I provided on other video. And so, let's head into our work. Open up your Adobe Photoshop, okay, and just click in this file and click New, okay, and now you got some settings over here. You can simply adjust this width as 1920 pixels and height as 1080 pixels, and resolution you can set to 300, and that's it. You can simply click OK. Okay, this window will pop up after you click OK, and now this is the workspace, and you'll design all your thumbnails over in this blank space. So now let's get started. You can simply click this T, that means text. You can insert text. Now you can simply type in what you can type over here. Okay, so I'll type here thumbnail using Photoshop for. Okay, you can simply leave this, and I'm designing this thumbnail for my YouTube videos, so I can simply put the logo of YouTube right over here to make my thumbnail more attractive. So let's see it. Simply you can mark the tick, which will save your work here, and you can simply open up that again, and mm, I have one picture over here of YouTube. I'll drag this logo over there to make my thumbnail more attractive. So you simply taking this quick selection tool, you can select this, okay, and you can simply drag it into that thumbnail. Okay, so I'll drag it here. uh, I'll drag okay I'll drag it right here. Okay, so I need to if I need to adjust the size of this logo, I can simply press Ctrl plus T, which will give me this, and I can simply adjust its size. Okay, now okay, that's fine. Okay, so you can simply save the work, and again you can return to that logo, and you can simply select another letters as well. Okay, now deselect it using Alt plus. Okay, now you can select this. Okay, YouTube, or you can select it, and you can simply move it with move tool. Okay, right here for YouTube, it will seem more attractive. Okay, so you can simply press Ctrl plus T, and you can adjust the size. Okay, for YouTube, to make my thumbnail more attractive. Okay, guys, so let's do one thing, guys. Let's put it here, and let's take this logo as well along with YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna select layer. I'm gonna take it and selecting this layer. I'll select this, and using this move tool, I'll select here. Oops. Oh, no. Okay, so it's pretty attractive, right? So you can simply click on the file and you can simply save as JPEG format. Okay, and you can simply name it as thumbnail. Okay, then you can simply save it and you can select the quality here. Now I've selected the quality into large file. It will give me good quality of thumbnail, and baseline I've selected standard. Okay, so I'll click OK, and this was, guys, very short and easy way on how you can create your own thumbnail. So let's check it out. Okay, this is the thumbnail what I just designed you in front of you guys. So goodbye, take care.